श्री सीता लक्ष्मण भरत शत्रुघ्न हनुमत समेत श्री रघुनंदन परब्रह्मणे नमः। अस्मत् गुरुभ्यो नमः। राम राम। Today we are going to see something about expectations. Having diagnosed these children as having some problem, we should also know how to keep our expectations with these children. Because if we are not going to introspect our expectations level towards these children, we will be frustrated and we will also be frustrating the children. So it is very much necessary how to keep our expectations. First, very simple thing, we should have our expectation based on the ability of the child, not on the wishes of ours. We will be having lot of wishes to give us more development to these children, but based on our wishes, if we are going to have expectations, we will be frustrated if the children does not reach that expectation level. So we should have that in mind. And first, you are now observing what are the capacity the children has. So in that case, take a task, and you know now that how long a child takes to learn certain things. So take a task, set a goal, very short term goal to achieve. If you take any task, give a 10 days duration. If the child is learning before 10 days, you can have it as a 10 to 15 days duration. So give enough time for the child to learn, teach them slowly, then and there check their grasping power. Accordingly you teach them, then see the growth of the learning process, then you can increase your expectation level also. So you have now know what difficulty the child is facing. So don't have too much of expectations, or don't try to burden the child by giving too many tasks at a time. Very gradually increase your task level. If you are taking one task at a time in a month, the second month you can go for 2 tasks at a time. Slowly you can increase the task also, and that too should go with the ability of the child. Nowadays, whatever the qualification may be, nobody is getting a job as per the qualification. They are trained and graduated in some area, and they are getting job in some other area. They have to go with that, because the situation is that they need to take up any job as it comes to them. So you don't have expectation with these children that they should reach your level. Even the king Dashratha, who had an enormous power, but he could not able to attain his own expectations, reach his own expectations. He had a thought of coronating Rama the next day, but that doesn't happen. So anyone in the world has never reached whatever they expect. They sometimes fail, and they again work harder to reach that expectation. That is how things are happening. So when coming to these children, you need to be very conscious in setting goals, in having expectations. Sahi Vidya ya Bhagavad Praptyartha. Ram Ram.